everyone, Erica Thomas here, and today I'm going to show you how to make some detox bath salts using your essential oils. This is probably one of the easiest, most simplest things you can possibly do with your oils when you first get started. We do this in my home pretty much every day when the kids take a bath. So first thing you need to do is get a hold of some Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate. You can pick this up pretty much any drugstore. You can get it at the grocery store. And fill a little glass container. This is a 4-ounce mason jar. And then you're going to choose whatever essential oil you want to use, whatever fragrance you like, whatever benefits you need. If you really need something for muscle soak after a long run or something, you may want to try Panaway. If you want something nice and relaxing to unwind at the end of the day, maybe some lavender. You want something uplifting and energizing, maybe grapefruit or some other citrus. But for today, we're going to be using Peace and Calming because this is what I need for my 4-year-old's bath time each evening. And we're just going to add, for this size, and since it's for a child, I'm just going to add 5 drops of Peace and Calming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That might have been 6. Okay, she'll be extra chill. And got that up there, and see that lovely green color that Peace and Calming is. Shake it around, give it a good shake, get those oils all incorporated into the salts. And now when it's time for her bath this evening, I will just use probably half of this. Since she does her detox bath pretty much nightly, I don't use a whole lot of it every night. So this will last me for 2, maybe 3 bath times. And just sprinkle it in the water. And the reason we use the Epsom salt is twofold. Number one, the Epsom salt itself has its own benefits to detox and draw things out of our body that do not belong. And then secondly, the salt acts as a dispersant for the oil. Since we know oils and water don't mix, I don't want to just shake my essential oil on the top of the bathtub because it's just going to float and create like a coating on the surface, which is not what I want. I want it to be fully incorporated into the bath water. So the oil mixes in with the salt. When you start to shake it around, it will disperse into the water and be a nice relaxing bath retreat. So hopefully that's helpful for you and that you learned something today. Take care. Till next time. Be well.